In this review, given that grills routinely reach temperatures of 500 degrees Fahrenheit, with some charcoal grills capable of pushing the 1000-degree mark, burns are a constant risk when it comes to grilling. Since the hands and lower arms manipulating the grill tools are the most vulnerable to burns, it makes sense to protect that skin with a good pair of barbecue gloves. Barbecue gloves come in a variety of heat-resistant materials including leather, neoprene, silicone, and heat-resistant fabrics such as Kevlar and Nomex. Some barbecue gloves can provide protection for temperatures that reach more than 1400 degrees Fahrenheit, while still remaining thin enough for the wearer to manipulate a pair of tongs or flip a spatula. Please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. KitchenEver present Top 6 Best Grill Gloves. Let's get started. Number 1. Awhile Silicone Cooking Gloves. If you're looking for a sturdy pair of silicone gloves, this pair offers a dual layer of protection for added safety. The non-slip grip ensures that these gloves will grasp onto whatever it is that you're holding, and you don't need to worry about anything slipping out of them. The food-safe silicone is fine to come into direct contact with foods, while the interior is lined with cotton for a comfortable, easy-to-maneuver feel. Reviewers love how easy it is to clean and air-dry these gloves. Because they're only safe up to 475 degrees Fahrenheit, it is recommended that you don't use them to handle hot coals or logs. Number 2. Outset F234 Leather Small. These stylish, brown leather gloves are a great addition to your outdoor cooking setup. A layer of aramid fiber gives these gloves extra heat protection, and the leather gives them a sleek look as well as added comfort. The counterfeited inner liner allows them to still be breathable, so you don't have to worry about your hands overheating. With 2 sizes available, you'll be sure to find a pair that fits your hands comfortably. In fact, there's a matching apron available to complete the look. With heat resistance up to 650 degrees Fahrenheit, there is tons that you can do with these gloves while still keeping your hands and wrists protected. Some reviewers note that these gloves are on the thinner side in comparison to some other fabrics, but they still offer high heat protection. Number 3. Cuisinart CGM 520 Heat Resistant. If you're looking for a few pairs of grill gloves to designate for certain tasks, or make sure all the members of your family have one that they can use, opt for a 2-pack. These silicone gloves have multiple uses and are super comfortable. The gloves are ambidextrous, so you can use them between 2 people, or the same person can double up on both. They're waterproof and dishwasher safe, and they have a sturdy, non-slip grip. They are heat-resistant up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a nice baseline of heat protection, though you should be wary of using these for touching hot coals or logs. Some reviewers say these gloves are on the smaller side, so if you have bigger hands, you may want to look into a glove with a more forgiving size. Number 4. Geekum Grilling Gloves. While fabric and leather gloves may offer better heat protection, the silicone outer shell of these gloves makes them ideal for handling messier demands. The gloves consist of a 100% silicone outer shell, with a comfortable cotton liner that's heat-resistant up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. The silicone construction makes the gloves waterproof, and washing them is easy. Simply rinse the gloves in the sink to clean them. Their textured non-slip design makes them ideal for handling hot food directly or gripping grill tools, while sleeve extensions provide additional protection for the wrists. A loop on the sleeves is convenient for hanging the gloves on a storage hook so they're ready when needed. This pair of gloves is available in 5 color options. Number 5. Repeka BBQ Oven Gloves 14 inches. When it comes to handling hot food directly, be it a whole chicken slathered in barbecue sauce, or a brisket dripping with juices, fabric and leather gloves don't cut it. The former can leave fibers in the meat, while the latter can stain. This pair from Repeka is a better option, thanks to an oil-resistant neoprene coating. A textured palm helps the user to get a grip on slippery meat. The inside of the gloves consists of a soft double-layer cotton for comfort. Of course, a good pair of barbecue gloves need to have the heat resistance to stand up to high temps, and this pair does with a heat rating of 932 degrees Fahrenheit. An extra long 14-inch long sleeve provides additional protection for the arms when reaching inside a grill or smoker. Number 6. EUHOME BBQ Gloves Grill Accessories. Outfitting a barbecue with all the essential tools can quickly become a costly affair. This set of gloves from EUHOME makes adding gloves to the arsenal affordable. Despite their low price, these gloves are no slouch, with 3 layers of heat-resistant fabric that resists temperatures as high as 1,472 degrees Fahrenheit, with a stretchable inner wool and cotton liner. Long wrist guards keep the lower forearms protected whether reaching over a hot grill or rearranging burning charcoal, while a stylish bone design in the silicone padding on the gloves adds flair to one's grilling attire. This set of gloves also comes with some useful extras, including a set of bare claws for pulling apart briskets, chickens, and pork butts, and a silicone basting brush for applying sauces.